In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to check Jumia voucher availability. So let's say you have a voucher you can actually use and you want to check if you have any voucher available that you can apply to any order you want to place and then get a discount on your order. So for you to be able to see if you have any voucher availability on your account, the next thing you're gonna do is just to log in to your Jumia account, then look down below where you see account. So just click on that, then under the list you're gonna see vouchers. So just click on that vouchers, then it's gonna load the active vouchers you have. You can see you currently have no available vouchers. All your available vouchers will be displayed right here. You can see, and if you click on the inactive, you're gonna see if you have any inactive vouchers on your account. And for you to get vouchers on your account, you have to keep shopping more and more on Jumia website so that you'll be able to get free vouchers that you can apply to your next order on the platform. So this way it's going to help you to generate more vouchers as you shop on Jumia on the long run.